Have you ever felt surrounded by people and still completely alone inside? Many people smile every day, reply to messages, and spend time online. Yet deep in their hearts, they feel disconnected. Relationships today often break because people stop understanding each other. They stop listening. They stop caring deeply. And little by little, trust disappears. In this video, we are going to discover powerful lessons inspired by Napoleon Hill that can help you build relationships so strong that they survive misunderstandings, distance, stress, and even failure. Stay with me until the end, because one simple lesson may completely change how you connect with people forever. Modern life makes relationships difficult. People are busy, distracted, and emotionally exhausted. Sometimes we spend more time staring at our phones than talking to the people who truly matter. We want connection, but we forget to give attention. We want loyalty, but we forget to show appreciation. Napoleon Hill believed that successful people understand human relationships better than anyone else. He taught that strong relationships are not built by luck. They are built intentionally through respect, trust, patience, and emotional understanding. If you want stronger friendships, deeper love, and lasting loyalty, then keep watching carefully. By the end of this video, you will learn 5 powerful lessons that can transform your relationships completely. These lessons are simple, practical, and easy to apply in everyday life. You do not need to become rich, famous, or perfect to build unbreakable relationships. You only need awareness, consistency, and genuine care for others. Napoleon Hill understood that success in life is deeply connected to how we treat people. The strongest relationships are not based on money or appearance. They are built on emotional connection and mutual respect. Watch until the end, because the final lesson may be the most important one of all. Lesson 1. The power of genuine interest. Napoleon Hill believed that one of the greatest human desires is the need to feel important. People want to feel seen, heard, and valued. When you show genuine interest in someone, you create emotional trust naturally. Most people listen only to reply, but strong relationships begin when you truly listen to understand. In this scene, our stickman begins learning this truth by studying relationship wisdom carefully. He realizes that relationships grow stronger when people feel emotionally safe around you. Genuine attention is more valuable than expensive gifts or perfect words. Many relationships fail because people become emotionally selfish. They talk constantly about themselves, their problems, and their needs without paying attention to others. Napoleon Hill taught that successful people become genuinely interested in the happiness and growth of others. Asking simple questions, remembering small details, and showing curiosity can completely transform your relationships. In this scene, the stickman points toward the symbol of connection and love because he finally understands that emotional attention creates powerful bonds between people. One warm conversation can change a relationship forever. A sincere handshake, eye contact, and honest appreciation make people feel respected and valued. Human beings naturally trust people who make them feel comfortable and understood. Napoleon Hill believed harmony between people creates success in every area of life. In this moment, the stickman shares coffee with another person and practices kindness through simple actions. He learns that relationships do not become strong overnight. They become strong through repeated moments of care, warmth, and respect. Listening is one of the rarest skills in the modern world. Most people interrupt, judge, or wait impatiently for their turn to speak. But deep relationships are built when someone feels fully heard without fear or pressure. In this scene, the stickman leans forward carefully while listening to another person. His attention shows respect. His patience creates trust. Napoleon Hill believed that emotional harmony creates cooperation, and cooperation creates lasting success in both personal and professional relationships. When people feel emotionally understood, they become more loyal, open, and honest. Genuine interest creates emotional safety. That safety allows relationships to grow stronger over time. In this scene, the stickman reflects quietly while writing down important thoughts in his notebook. He realizes that building strong relationships requires effort and awareness. Strong connections are not accidents. They are created intentionally by people who choose understanding over selfishness every single day. Lesson 2. Give value before expecting anything. Napoleon Hill taught that successful people give value before expecting rewards. Relationships become powerful when both people support each other during difficult times. Helping someone without expecting immediate benefits creates trust naturally. In this scene, the stickman helps another person carry a heavy box. This simple act represents emotional support, kindness, and teamwork. Small actions often create the deepest emotional impact in relationships. People remember how you make them feel more than what you say. A thoughtful gesture, encouragement during stress, or unexpected kindness can strengthen emotional connection deeply. In this moment, the stickman gives a small gift with genuine warmth. The gift itself is simple, but the emotional meaning behind it is powerful. Napoleon Hill believed positive emotions attract stronger cooperation and loyalty between people. Every relationship faces conflict eventually. Misunderstandings, pride, and emotional reactions can damage trust quickly. In this scene, the stickman sits alone, feeling hurt after an argument. This moment reminds us that relationships require emotional maturity. Napoleon Hill warned that uncontrolled emotions often destroy valuable connections. Learning to control anger and communicate calmly is essential for long-term trust and emotional stability. One sincere apology can heal emotional wounds that pride keeps open for years. Many people avoid apologizing because they fear looking weak, but true strength comes from honesty and humility. In this scene, the stickman apologizes sincerely, with open hands and lowered head. This simple action rebuilds trust slowly. Napoleon Hill believed harmony between people requires courage, understanding, and emotional responsibility. Trust can break slowly, but it can also be rebuilt with patience and consistent effort. Relationships survive when both people choose cooperation instead of ego. In this scene, two stickmen rebuild a broken bridge together. The bridge symbolizes trust and emotional connection. Napoleon Hill believed that teamwork and shared understanding create powerful human bonds, capable of surviving difficult seasons together. Lesson 3. Priorities human connection. Strong relationships grow through shared experiences and quality time together. In this scene, the stickman enjoys dinner with loved ones while smiling warmly. Simple moments often become the strongest memories later in life. Napoleon Hill believed happiness comes not only from achievement, but also from emotional harmony with others. Many people regret not spending enough meaningful time with family and friends. Technology can connect people physically while disconnecting them emotionally. Endless distractions weaken relationships slowly over time. In this moment, the stickman turns off his phone and chooses peace over distraction. This symbolizes the importance of being fully present with the people around you. Napoleon Hill understood that focused attention creates stronger emotional bonds than constant communication without presence. Walking, talking, laughing, and sharing simple experiences strengthen relationships naturally. Human beings connect deeply through emotional presence, not material things. In this scene, the stickman walks happily with a friend while enjoying genuine conversation. Napoleon Hill believed friendship grows stronger through shared positivity, encouragement, and understanding during both good times and difficult moments. Leadership in relationships means inspiring trust and positivity in others. In this scene, the stickman confidently shares encouraging words with a group. People naturally follow individuals who make them feel respected and motivated. Napoleon Hill believed successful leaders create emotional unity and cooperation rather than fear or division. Positive energy strengthens relationships in every environment. Sometimes strong relationships begin with self-awareness. If you do not understand your own emotions, you may unknowingly hurt people around you. In this scene, the stickman sits quietly while reflecting deeply near a window. He understands that emotional growth is necessary for stronger relationships. Napoleon Hill believed personal development improves every human connection in life. Lesson 4. Support people during hard times. Scene 19. People never forget who stayed beside them during painful moments. Emotional support creates some of the strongest bonds in human relationships. In this scene, the stickman hugs a close friend warmly after a difficult experience. This moment represents loyalty, empathy, and emotional safety. Napoleon Hill believed that strong relationships require compassion during both success and struggle. Helping others during weakness reveals true character. In this scene, the stickman gently supports an elderly person walking with a cane. Kindness without selfish motives creates deep emotional respect. Napoleon Hill taught that service to others strengthens both personal character and human relationships. Sometimes the smallest act of care leaves the biggest emotional impact. Modern relationships often happen across distance, but emotional connection still matters deeply. In this scene, the stickman listens carefully during a video call instead of multitasking or ignoring the conversation. Attention and active listening make people feel valued, even from far away. Napoleon Hill believed communication filled with respect and sincerity builds lasting trust over time. Trust is the foundation of every unbreakable relationship. Without trust, fear and doubt slowly destroy emotional connection. In this scene, the stickman writes the word trust proudly on a board because he understands its importance. Napoleon Hill believed honesty, consistency, and reliability create the strongest emotional bonds between people. Sometimes people do not need solutions. They simply need someone willing to stay beside them during difficult moments. In this scene, the stickman silently supports a sad friend with patience and empathy. Emotional presence can heal pain more than words alone. Napoleon Hill believed understanding human emotions is one of the greatest skills a person can develop. Lesson 5. Build relationships that last forever. Healthy relationships create joy, motivation, and emotional strength. In this scene, friends celebrate success together happily. Strong relationships allow people to enjoy victories together instead of competing selfishly. Napoleon Hill believed success becomes more meaningful when shared with supportive people who genuinely care about your happiness and growth. Peace inside yourself improves every relationship around you. In this scene, the stickman meditates calmly while focusing on emotional balance. Stress, anger, and negativity often damage relationships unnecessarily. Napoleon Hill believed emotional control and positive thinking create healthier communication and stronger human connections over time. Wise people continue learning about relationships throughout their lives. In this scene, the stickman studies relationship lessons carefully while smiling thoughtfully. He understands that love, trust, patience, and communication require constant improvement. Napoleon Hill believed personal growth never truly ends, because human understanding can always become deeper. Every relationship experiences emotional damage at some point, but strong people choose repair instead of escape. In this scene, the stickman carefully fixes a cracked heart symbol using tape. This represents forgiveness, patience, and commitment. Napoleon Hill believed persistence is necessary, not only for success, but also for maintaining meaningful relationships. Life becomes richer when surrounded by loyal and supportive people. In this scene, the stickman enjoys peaceful coffee time with close friends. These simple moments create emotional memories that last for years. Napoleon Hill believed happiness grows stronger when shared with people who truly care about each other. Strong relationships are not built through perfection. They are built through consistency, kindness, patience, and emotional honesty. In this scene, the stickman stands proudly beside supportive friends because he finally understands the secret to lasting connection. Napoleon Hill believed success in life depends greatly on your ability to cooperate peacefully and positively with others. Remember these 5 powerful lessons. Show genuine interest, give value first, prioritize human connection, support people during hard times, and continue building trust every day. Relationships become unbreakable when people choose understanding instead of ego. In this final lesson, the stickman smiles confidently because he now understands that emotional connection is one of life's greatest treasures. If this video inspired you, take one small step today to strengthen an important relationship in your life. Send a message, make a call, apologize sincerely, or simply listen more carefully. Small actions create powerful emotional change over time. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs stronger relationships in their life today.